Welcome to Sign Faces, 86,000 square foot manufacturing facility located here in Pelham, Alabama. Today we're going to take time to show you the manufacturing processes of forming Macrolon polycarbonate for sign faces and decoration. Macrolon polycarbonate sign face material is the most durable, impact-resistant polycarbonate sign face material in the industry today. We've begun our manufacturing process in our setup department with the two setup frames, this being our standard frame. We also have the three-dimensional shape, which we manufacture out of our 3D router. Here we have a polycarbonate sheet coming directly off the rail out of the drying oven, and it's laid out on our cutting table to this length of the material that needs to be cut. Now that the sheet has been cut from the drying oven, we're going to roll it over to our forming table. Measurements are taken to make sure you've got the accurate placement of the setup on the table. In this table we'll have two vacuum lines connected so we have an even flow of vacuum across the forming process. Macrolon polycarbonate sheet comes with a clear protective film on both sides. Once that plastic sheet is removed, then the actual polycarbonate material from bare material science is carried over and positioned on the forming table. The forming process is extremely critical because everything must be perfect. The sheet is positioned correctly over the setup and then clamped in position. We're going to blow off any dirt that may have collected on the sheet during the handling process. This ensures that there'll be no imperfections in the face. The forming table is now rolled under our heating elements. The Macrolon plastic is heated to 360 degrees. Now that it's heated to the correct temperature, the frame is going to be brought over the setup, and then the vacuum is going to be applied, which will draw the sheet to the shape of the setup. The table is then brought out, fans are turned on to draw the heat away from the sheet. Face is then brought off of the setup to release it from the shape and then brought down to complete the cooling process. Once the cooling process has been completed, the clamps are released and the face is taken off the setup and taken over to our trimming operation. Macrolon's durability and impact resistance allows the trimming operation to be performed flawlessly. Macrolon polycarbonate sheet can be decorated in several different ways: painting, vinyl, digital print application, thermo-formed vinyl, as well as screen printing. Vinyl and digital print application on Macrolon polycarbonate is becoming more and more popular. Thermo-formed vinyl sheets require a secondary drying process after the vinyl is applied to the sheet. Cutting the spray mask allows us to paint various colors in sequence. To complete the painting process, a high-quality face translucent paint is applied to the faces. Macrolon LD plastic is specifically designed for use with LED illuminated cabinets and channel letters. Nobody does it better than Faces.